Namaste students, in this video we are going to see 5th and 6th problem in exercise 7.2. First, 5th problem. Find the ratio, you have to find the ratio in which the line segment joining point A 1, minus 5 and B minus 4, 5 is divided by the x-axis. X-axis point means that point must be x, 0. X, 0. So the point P is x, 0. If y-axis means 0, y. Clear, children? Also find the coordinates of the point of division. This x value also you have to find, and you have to find the ratio also, and you have to find the ratio also. Clear, children? Is there any doubt? So first let the point P lying on the x-axis. Lying on the x-axis, cut the line segment joining A of 1, minus 5 and B of minus 4, 5 in the ratio k is to 1. In the ratio k is to 1. Clear, children? So first I have taken for the ratio k is to 1. As P lies on x-axis, therefore y is equal to 0. So the coordinates of the point P are x, 0. Point is x, 0. Clear, children? Now, so first what we have to find? K is to 1 ratio, and we have to find the value of x. First write the Session formula. P of x, y is equal to m1 m2 divided by m1 plus m2, m1 m2 divided by m1 plus m2. Here x2 x1 y2 y1. That point is x, 0 and m1 is, that write everything here, then only you will be very clear. Write the points 1, minus 5 minus 4, 5. m1 is to m2, that is k is to 1, and the point P of x, y is x, 0. X, 0. So this is x1 y1 x2 y2. Okay. m1, that is k into minus 4 plus m2, that is 1 into 1 divided by k plus 1. K into 5 plus m to 1. 1 is to 1 into minus 5 divided by k plus 1. Clear, children? So now multiply x, 0 is equal to minus 4k plus 1 divided by k plus 1, 5k minus 5 divided by k plus 1. Okay, so now next what we have to do, we can compare this two and this two. If we compare this y coordinate, means we will get the value of x, because here we have 0, so we will get the value of k. After finding the value of k, you have to substitute here, and if we compare with x here, means you will get the value of x. So first I'm going to find for this 0 is equal to 5k minus 5 divided by k plus 1, and this one x is equal to minus 4k plus 1 divided by k plus 1. Okay, so now cross multiply. 0 is equal to 5k minus 5. If we multiply anything with the 0, you will get 0 only. So 0 is equal to 5k minus 5. Then 5k minus 5 is equal to 0. Shift this to the right hand side. 5k is equal to plus 5. K is equal to 1. That is 5 by 5, and k is equal to 1. Clear, children? So the value of k is 1. Substitute here. X is equal to minus 4 into 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, and minus 4 plus 1 divided by 2, and minus 3 divided by 2. So the value of x is minus 3 by 2. The value of x is minus 3 by 2. Clear, children? So therefore, hence the required ratio is 1:1. The required ratio is 1:1, and the coordinates of point P are minus 3 by 2 comma 0, that is x comma 0, no? So substitute the value of x, minus 3 divided by 2 comma 0. Are you all clear, children? Thank you. Next, sixth problem. If 1 comma 2, 4 comma y, x comma 6 and 3 comma 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. Find x and y. Okay, first let the given points be A, B, C, D of a parallelogram ABCD. So children, what we know in the parallelogram, the diagonals are bisect each other. The diagonals are bisect each other, no? So we know that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Bisect means what? It divides that line segment equally. So how we can find this midpoint, that bisecting a point, how we can find? By using midpoint formula. This OB and OD will be equal, and OA and OC will be equal. Clear, children? So how we can find the point, midpoint? A, C, by using midpoint formula we can find O. Okay, B and D coordinates, and by using the midpoint formula we can find the bisecting point. Clear, children? So we know that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Let the diagonals of a parallelogram ABCD bisect each other at O. Okay. So the coordinates of the midpoint of diagonal AC is equal to coordinates of a midpoint of diagonal BD. So what is the midpoint formula? M is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Next, first write the points A and C. A is 1 comma 2 and C is x comma 6. And here B is 4 comma y and D is 3 comma 5. Now write which one is x1, y1, x1, y1, x2, y2. Here x1, y1, x2, y2. Now apply in the formula, children. 1 plus x divided by 2, comma 2 plus 6 divided by 2. Here this side 4 plus 3 divided by 2 and y plus 5 divided by 2. Both are equal since the point O is same. Okay, bisect each other. 1 plus x divided by 2, comma 8 by 2, then 7 by 2, y plus 5 by 2. Okay, then 1 plus x divided by 2, comma 4, and 7 by 2, comma y plus 5 divided by 2. Then you have to compare this with this one and this with this one. Okay, so 1 plus x divided by 2 is equal to 7 by 2, and next one is 4 is equal to y plus 5 divided by 2. Okay, now cross multiply. 2, 1 plus x, 2 7s are 14. So 2x plus 2, so 2 1s are 2, 2 into x, 2x is equal to 14. Then 2x is equal to 14 minus 2, 2x is equal to 12, and then x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6. Clear, children? Then cross multiply. 8 is equal to y plus 5. Y is equal to 8 minus 5. It implies y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. Clear, children? Clear? Both are equal. It intersect at the point O only. So if we compare the x coordinate, you will get x value, and y coordinate, you will get the y value. So the x value is 6 and y value is 3. Hence the required values are x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3. That the point is 6, 3. Clear, children? If there is any doubt? Thank you.